Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Investors are shifting more of their shares in Chinese e-commerce giants to the Hong Kong market, as Beijing's efforts have yet to dispel concerns over the company's eligibility to remain listed on Wall Street. The Swiss National Bank sees the current increase in inflation as a temporary phenomenon, Chairman Thomas Jordan said, although the central bank would keep a close eye on the situation. Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US, has launched its much-awaited marketplace for digital collectibles in beta mode. The platform becomes available for a small number of users, with more to be added over the coming weeks.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence ADJ will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index at 2330 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 23 hours and 01 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.